Stop burning money on car repairs. Mechanics know tricks you don't, and it's costing you big. Here are 20 real hacks to keep your ride smooth and your wallet thick. Let's drive in. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more no BS car tips. 20. Don't just recharge your AC. Listen, if your AC's weak, don't just top it up and walk away. Recharging without fixing leaks means you're losing compressor oil, and that's a one-way ticket to a $1,500 failure. Use a UV dye or a refrigerant sniffer to hunt leaks and run your AC even in winter to keep seals healthy. 19. Buy OEM parts without the markup. Dealers want you to pay triple for genuine parts. Here's the move. Check the part number, search for the brand like Denso or Bosch, and buy direct. Same part for 50 to 80% less. That's how you beat the system. 18. Flush brake fluid to avoid $1,300 repairs. Brake fluid sucks up moisture and rusts your ABS pump. Flush it every 2 to 3 years. Do it yourself for only $20 or pay a shop $80. Either way, you just dodged a 4-figure repair. 17. Change coolant regularly. Old coolant turns acidic and eats your engine from the inside. Don't wait for 100,000 miles, flush it every 3 to 4 years, and always use the right type. Protect your head gasket, protect your wallet. 16. Change power steering fluid. Ignore this and you'll be replacing a steering rack for $800+. Use a turkey baster to refresh the fluid every year, or when you reach 50,000 miles. You'll get smooth steering, zero drama. 15. Fix what's broken, not the whole part. Dealers love to swap whole assemblies. Be smarter. Replace just the failed bushing, clip, or capacitor. It's surgical, it's cheap, and it keeps your ride original. 14. Change lifetime gear oil. There's no such thing as lifetime oil. Change it every 30 to 50,000 miles, especially if you've got AWD. Skip this and you're looking at more than $1,000 repair. 13. Rodent-proof your ride. Modern wiring is soy-based. Mice love it. Peppermint oil, ultrasonic repellents, and mesh screens are your defense. Lose this battle and you could be out $7,000 for a new harness. 12. Skip the dealer. Dealers charge $200 an hour. Indie shops, $100 with the same quality, sometimes the same techs. Bring your own parts, negotiate, and keep the savings. 11. Rust-proof your undercarriage. If you live where roads get salted, annual oil-based sprays like fluid film are a must. It'll buy you 3 to 5 more years before rust eats your car alive. 10. Keep EV/hybrid batteries cool. Heat kills batteries. Pre-cool your cabin, avoid 100% charges, and keep intake vents clean. Park in the shade. Every degree counts when a new battery costs $5,000. 9. Add lubricity to diesel fuel. Ultra-low sulfur diesel is rough on pumps. Add a pint of ashless 2-stroke oil per 25 gallons. It's cheap insurance against an $8,000 repair. 8. Fix known weak points early. Every model has its Achilles heel. Research your car, hit the forums, and replace weak links before they snap. It's the difference between a $200 fix and a $2,000 tow. 7. Prevent carbon buildup in GDI engines. GDI engines get carbon on intake valves. Install a catch can and you'll skip the $700 walnut blasting. 6. Hit the junkyard for big repairs. Need a new engine or body panel? Junkyards have OEM parts for pennies on the dollar. I've scored engines for $600 that would cost right about $4,000 when new. 5. Get an alignment. Bad alignment chews up tires and ruins fuel economy. $80 once a year doubles your tire life. Simple math. 4. Scan check engine lights yourself. Don't pay $120 for a scan, grab a $20 OBD2 scanner and a phone app, or hit AutoZone for a free code read. Most lights are minor, don't let a mechanic upsell you. 3. Clean or replace cabin air filter. A clogged filter burns out your blower motor. 5 minutes, $20, and your HVAC system breathes easy. 2. Clean battery terminals. No start? Don't buy a new battery. Clean the terminals with baking soda and water. It's a $5 fix that saves you from a $200 mistake. 1. Torque your lug nuts. Impact guns warp rotors. Use a torquey wrench, follow spec, and you'll never have to deal with brake pulsation or a 400 rotor job. Did you know that buying OEM parts directly can actually save you more money than what you'd spend on a set of high-performance tires? And get this, a simple $20 OBD2 scanner can pay for itself the very first time you avoid a bogus diagnostic fee at the shop. Here's the bottom line. The difference between a guy who owns his car and a guy who gets owned by it is knowledge. These 20 secrets, they're your edge. Use them and you'll drive smarter, spend less, and keep your machine running like new. Here's the overall recap. Never pay for what you can do yourself. That's how real car guys roll. Drop your own money-saving tips in the comments. I want to hear your war stories from the garage as we unlock the world of cars, one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.